A 700-ton crane in eastern Taiwan was no match for Super Typhoon Megi's gale force winds. The storm made landfall Tuesday afternoon. Screams could be heard as Megi tore scaffolding down from buildings standing in its way. One young woman struggled to retrieve her motorbike. As she fought the storm, she broke out in tears. The storm toppled houses and ripped rooftops off, forcing people to flee their homes. Typhoon Megi is due to make landfall in China's Fujian and Guangdong provinces on Wednesday. Authorities have asked people to return their boats to port and stay ashore. Rescue relief teams are ready for deployment. Mainland residents are bracing for the worst.
According to our analysis, an area of around 200,000 square meters will receive about 100 millimeters of precipitation. Coastal areas like Fujian and Zhejiang will likely get around 300 millimeters of precipitation.
Weather authorities say the storm is following the same route that Super Typhoon Megi took about 2 weeks ago. Typhoon Megi was the strongest storm to hit China so far this year. It battered China's coastal towns and left at least 28 people dead. Many in Fujian are still recovering from Typhoon Megi and fear they aren't prepared for another storm.
We have been up overnight and have used the wood boards to strengthen the window, but we're not sure if it is enough for this kind of typhoon.
Local weather authorities have issued an alert and asked residents to make precautionary measures and to stay indoors. Experts have also warned tourists who have travel plans for China's upcoming National Day holiday.
Typhoons have hit during National Day holiday 3 times in the past 5 years. There's always a large number of travelers over the holiday period, and we'd like to remind tourists to be safe.
Chinese authorities have allocated 220 million yuan, that's about $33 million in disaster relief for areas standing in the path of the typhoon. Jia Shaoyi, CCTV.